Flexible payment services have become a core part of digital shopping in recent years. Instead of paying in full at the time of purchase, users can now buy products immediately and pay in installments or at a later date. One of the companies leading this transformation in the digital payment landscape is Klarna, offering a variety of financial solutions that enable users to shop with greater flexibility. However, despite the ease of using Klarna's services, obtaining its card or utilizing its payment services is not arbitrary. It is contingent upon a comprehensive set of terms and criteria specifically designed to ensure the protection of both the user and the company. These conditions vary slightly from one country to another, but they are generally based on common principles related to the user's age, residency, identity, and financial situation. In this video, we'll thoroughly cover the essential requirements for obtaining a Klarna card and the elements influencing a user's eligibility for this service. One of the fundamental requirements for obtaining a Klarna card is that the user must have reached the age of majority in their country of residence. In most countries where Klarna operates, the minimum age requirement is 18 years old.
This requirement arises as pay-later services are viewed as a type of financial commitment. Here, the user purchases products immediately and commits to settling the amount at a later date.
Therefore, the person must be legally able to enter into financial agreements. In some countries, there might be additional age requirements. However, reaching the age of majority is the fundamental condition enabling a user to open an account and utilize the company's payment services.
Klarna's services are not universally available across all countries. Therefore, a crucial prerequisite for obtaining a Klarna card is that the user must be a resident of a country that supports the specific service.
Klarna operates widely in Europe, North America, and some other global markets, but service availability may differ from one country to another. In some countries, all of the company's services can be used, while in others, some options might be limited. A user residing in a supported country enables the company to apply local financial laws and conduct all necessary verification, ensuring that stores and businesses using Klarna operate within the same financial and legal environment. To be deemed eligible for obtaining a Klarna card, it is imperative that the user maintains an active account with the company. This account serves as the user's digital identity within the Klarna system, meticulously recording all financial transactions, such as purchases, payments, and detailed payment schedules. The account also allows the company to track the user's payment history and assess their adherence to scheduled payment dates. Indeed, an active account is a fundamental prerequisite because the Klarna card is directly linked to and functions through that account. One of the important conditions for getting a Klarna card is user identity verification. This procedure has become a standard part of most digital financial services around the world.
The aim of identity verification is to confirm that the individual using the service is indeed the genuine account owner, thereby effectively preventing fraudulent activities or unauthorized usage of accounts. Identity verification usually involves a series of steps, like entering basic personal data, confirming a phone number, verifying an email address, and sometimes providing an official identification document. These procedures contribute to fostering a safer financial landscape for both the user and the company alike. Before allowing the use of a Klarna card or its pay-later services, the company usually conducts a simple financial capability assessment of the user.
This assessment isn't always as complex as those conducted by banks for loans, but it helps the company determine the risk level associated with the user. This assessment may include several factors, such as previous payment record, on-time payment history, any unpaid debts, and some basic financial information.
The core objective of this evaluation is to ensure the user can responsibly utilize the service, thereby avoiding any future financial difficulties.
Another condition for getting a Klarna card is that the user must have a valid payment method linked to their account. This method could be a linked bank account, a direct debit card, or another approved electronic payment method. Having a payment method linked to the account allows the company to debit due payments on time and ensures the repayment process runs smoothly. Like any financial service, Klarna operates under a set of terms and conditions that the user must agree to before using the service. These terms cover several important aspects, such as how to use the service, adherence to payment due dates, potential late fees, and vital security and privacy policies.
User agreement to these detailed terms is an essential part of the process for utilizing a Klarna Card or any of its financial services.
Klarna sets these conditions not only to protect the company, but also to protect users from financial problems.
Buy now, pay later services might seem easy and convenient, but they are ultimately a financial commitment that must be handled responsibly.
When users adhere to the required terms and use the service responsibly, the Klarna Card can truly become an invaluable tool for organizing payments and managing purchases with greater flexibility. However, using these services without planning or failing to meet payment deadlines can lead to additional fees or unwanted financial problems. Obtaining a Klarna Card relies on a fundamental set of conditions, all aimed at ensuring the service is used in a secure and responsible manner. These conditions include several factors: legal age, residency in a supported country, an active company account, identity verification, a financial solvency assessment, and a linked payment method. These criteria help the Klarna company offer flexible payment services to millions of users worldwide while maintaining a high level of security and financial stability. And for users who meet these conditions and consistently use the service responsibly, the Klarna Card can truly be a convenient and highly effective way to manage their everyday payments.